Carpet repair and stretching. Just because your carpets are showing a little bit of wear and tear, doesn't mean you need to buy new carpets. In fact, for a fraction of the cost of new carpets, you can have carpet repair and stretching done with results that might shock you. If done properly, you will be left with a carpet that looks as good as new without having to spend an arm and a leg. While both carpet repair and carpet stretching are both technically repairs, different scenarios call for one or the other. Carpet repair is best for repairing defects in the carpet such as holes, tears, unsightly seams and the like. Once repaired, you should not be able to tell where the repair was done, and the carpet should look as good as new. Everyday usage of your carpets can leave them wrinkled, wavy, or with unsightly bulges. When this happens, carpet stretching can usually eliminate the problems and leave you with a wonderful looking carpet that is free of unsightly defects. At Carpet Repair Doctor, we believe in helping each of our customers on an individual basis. We do not have one standard pricing model when it comes to carpet repair and stretching, and instead prefer to treat each case uniquely. We will go over all your options and give you a free estimate. Once you know what you are looking at, we work to ensure your carpets get resorted to like new while saving you time and money in the process. Carpet Repair Doctor guarantees all of our work to assure complete customer satisfaction. After completion of the services we provided for you, we will review the work with you to ensure that you are completely satisfied. Feel free to call us at 0415 158 087 or fill out our contact form below to request a complimentary, no obligation quote.